In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add fonts in Canva. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to simply log into your Canva account. And let's see if we can really add font if we don't upgrade to Pro. So you just have to go to this part and click this brand feature here. Tap this one. And then if you scroll down, you will see here logos, colors, and as you can see, if you want to add font, beside it there's a crown icon. So this only means that you can add font to Canva only if you upgrade to Canva Pro. Okay, so you can also try Canva Pro for free for 1 month and cancel it before the expiration date. Okay, so all you have to do is to upgrade your account to Canva Pro, and by doing that, you can add font to Canva. So as you can see, you can try it for free. You can add your payment method if you want. So that's it. So again, you cannot add font to Canva if you're using the basic version. You need to upgrade in order for you to upload and add font to Canva. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.